Good morning, class 9. Today we will discuss chapter 4, angles, line and triangles. Angles, line and triangles. This is fourth chapter of your syllabus. What is angle? Dear student, two rays OA and OB having a common point of point O from angle AOB written as angle AOB. That's mean if you take a ray OA and OB, this had only one point, common point. That's mean we also start from here. So then this is called angle. This is called angle, and it is denoted by angle. The sign is of angle AOB. AOB. This is called theta, and it is denoted the value of angle. This is measured by anti-clockwise direction. This is the direction of clockwise, and this direction is called anti-clockwise direction. So dear student, now OA and OB are arms of angle, and O is the vertex. O is the vertex of angle. Dear student, this is the inner part of angle. This is called inner part of angle, and this is called outer part of the angle. That means this is called exterior part of angle, and this is called interior parts of angle. Now dear student, measure of an angle. Amount of turning from OA to OB. In this OB to OA, the measurement is called measure of an angle, and it is denoted as theta, and that means if you measure in this angle about 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree. The angle is measured in degree and denoted as this sign. Now an angle of 360 degree. If a ray OA starting from its original position, OA rotates about O in the anti-clockwise. I also discussed clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. And after making a complete revolution, it comes rotate through 360 degree, written at 360 degree. Dear student, if this is point O and this is the ray OA, if you rotate anti-clockwise direction and after reach here this point, this is called 360 degree. This is called 360 degree. That means point makes 360 degrees. Point makes 360 degree. Now dear student, we will discuss next topic is 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and this sign is called denoted as minutes, and we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So dear student, if we say 90 degree and we can write degree into minute or second, then if 1 degree is left, then it is called 89 degree, and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So we write here 60 minutes, but if we remove 1 minute also in 60 minutes, then 89 degree, 59 minutes, and 1 minute is also called 60 seconds. So dear student, this is called 60 seconds. And as 180 degree also written as 179 degree, 1 degree is left, then 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. if 1 minute also removed, then it is called 59 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So dear student, 90 degree is written as 89 degree 60 minute, or 89 degree 59 minute 60 second. 100 degree 80 degree also written as 179 degree 59 minute and 60 second. Kinds of angle. Our next topic is kinds of angle. In kinds of angle, first angle is right angle. If the measurement of any angle is 90 degree, then we call right angle. So dear student, an angle is measured in 90 degree is called right angle, and all right angles are equal to each other. If value of AO and OB are perpendicular, then the value of this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is called right angle. Angle AOB equal to 90 degree, that means right angle. Right angle. Next is acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Dear student, if any angle whose measure is between 0 and 90 called acute angle, that means AOP is the angle having measurement is 30 degree, so we call acute angle. Acute angle. Okay, if angle is theta, then acute angle must be equal to 0 or greater than 0, and this angle is less than 90 degree. It's called this 0 degree is theta is greater than 0 degree and theta is less than 90 degree, called acute angle. Example 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 89 degree also. And now obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 190 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. And a straight angle means any angle which measurement is 180 degree. 180 degree is called a straight angle. A straight angle. And angle which measure 180 degree, which measurement is 180 degree, called a straight angle. Now dear students, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree called reflex angle, and 270 degree is the example of reflex angle. Complete angle already studied. The measurement of angle is 360 degree, called complete angle. Complete angle. Now dear student, the next topic is equal angles. Two angles are said to be equal if they same measurement. If their measurements are same, so dear student, we say equal angles. Bisector of angle, that means a ray OC is called bisector of angle AOB. That means if angle AOB are 30 degree, if OP is the bisector of angle AOB, then this and this angle is equal. That means if this value of angle AOP equal to angle POB equal to theta. That means what? 1/2 angle of AOB. Then OP is the bisector. That means OP is common arm. OP is common arm of both angle AOP and BOP, and dear student, but it has same vertex, and this arm has two opposite arms. And now complementary angles. Complementary means the sum of any two angles in is 90 degree, then we say complementary angle. Complementary angle means angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree, then we say complementary, and the angle A plus angle B, the sum of two angles must be 180 degree, is called supplementary angle. So dear student, it is very important. Next, exercise 4A. The next topic is 4A. So very important. You already solve 1, 2, 3, and now we discuss question number 4. First, find the complement of each of the following angles. First is 58. Complement or complementary angle of complement of 58 degree equal to what? Dear student, we know that sum of two angles, if sum of two angle is 90 degree, then the value of then the angle is called complementary angle. So complement of 58 degree is 90 degree minus 58. Now subtract, take 2, and this is 8 minus 5, 3. 32 degree is the complement of 58 degree. That's what 32 is the complement of 58 and 58 is the complement of 32. Because the sum of 58 and 32 is 90 degree. You solve all the question. Now question number 6. Find the measure of an angle which is equal to complement. Dear student, both angles are equal. So angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree, and we given angle A equal to angle B equal to x degree. Because both angles are equal, then substitute x plus x equal to 90 degree. Then x plus x equal to 2x equal to 90 degree. Then x equal to 90 degree upon 245 degree. So dear student, angle A equal to angle B also equal to 45 degree. Now you solve question 6 of 2. Now we discuss next question. Dear student, it is very easy to solve all questions of the given exercise if you watch our video properly. The question number 9. Find the angle which is 4 times its complement. Find the angle which is 4 times its complement. Dear student, let angle equal to x degree. That means complement of x. Complement of x degree equal to what? 90 degree minus x. Dear student, if we take any angle x, then complement of x equal to what? 90 degree minus x. So, dear student, again find the angle which is 4 times its complement. 4 times its complement according to question. X is 4 times of this angle. So dear student, 4 into 90 degree minus x. 4 into 90 degree minus x. X equal to 36, 0, 360 minus 4x. Minus 4x here, 4x, 360, 5x equal to 360 by 5, 7, and 72. 72 is the first angle, and complement of 72 is equal to 90 degree minus 72 called 18 degree. Come. Next, second angle equal to 90 degree minus 72 degree called 18 degree. So, next question is question number 14. Two complementary angles are in the same are in the ratio 4:5. Dear student, again, two complementary angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles. So dear student, let ratio be x. This type of question you must take ratio equal to x. Then solve. Again, question is says two complementary angle are in the ratio 4:8. 5. Question number 14. Let ratio equal to x. Then dear student, first angle equal to 4x degree. Second angle 5x degree. According to question, sum of two angle is 90 degree. Then call complement angle. 9x equal to 90 degree. Then x equal to 90 degree upon 9, 10 degree. If you substitute this value in there, 4 into 10 equal to 40 degree and 5 into 10 degree equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. So dear student, your exercise 4A is complete. Now next video we will discuss the adjacent angles relation. That's mean adjacent angles, linear pairs of angles and some theorem, and after solve exercise 4B. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.